what's up you guys, it's Janae and I'm back with another video. So today I got a little unboxing for you guys. As you guys can see by the title, I'm late, but better late than never. If you guys enjoy this unboxing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to comment, and most importantly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, become part of the family. And so let's get into this unboxing. So I got this package about at this point like 2-3 hours ago, but I didn't you know, I'm about to go or whatever, go out with my cousin. Not go out, but we're just going to this little arcade place. So I waited, you know, got in the shower, did my makeup, and you know, got all cute or whatever, and decided that why not film this? Why not film this little unboxing? So without further ado, let's get into it. Here we have the box with all of our information. And yeah, y'all know what a box looks like, right? Right. So got my pink scissors. And here we are. Let's see what we have here. Oh, but I have makeup on my leg. I was about to scream. Oh, that's I just dropped my iPad. Why can't I open the box? I'm weak as fuck today. Oh my goodness, y'all. When did I get this? Okay, I'll just cut it. Whatever. Okay. So this is the box. Da-da-da-da. Oh, and this brightness needs to turn down. Okay. So, this is the box. And, oh my goodness, everything is falling, y'all. Y'all can just see my whole setup. It's so fucking messy. Like, I just got a table in front of me. It's messy as fuck. Okay. Y'all. Okay, this fucking camera is pissing me the fuck off. But it's a boost on the side, 700 at the top, 700 boost. Yeah, I don't know why the fuck this weak ass camera keep going on focus like this. But yeah. So inside I have my little receipts right here. And yeah, all that good stuff. I just took out my receipts or whatever. Yo, this one was opening Yeezy stuff. The way he just got the box, that way it slide open. Like I said before, I don't know if I said this before, I do not fuck with Kanye. I don't support that shit he be talking about. Let's just get that clear and straight. I always been a sneakerhead. I always love shoes. You know, I'm really into fashion. I do not fuck with Kanye West. I do not support that Donald Trump shit that he is about. He looks like a fucking clown. Let's just get that part straight, because I know when everybody do their unboxings, they like, oh, this isn't the video for that, and this my channel, I'm gonna say what the fuck I feel. I don't support that shit. That shit is some bullshit. But anywho, okay, this is the top side of the shoe. Yeah, all that good stuff. So it has the gum bottom, and you see the boost technology. The white part is the boost. You see the boost technology and the gum sole. I got these in a size 6 because my what the fuck is going on with this camera? Oh my goodness, y'all. I got these in a size 6 because my 500s are size 6, and I told y'all that y'all know that I couldn't really fit my my 350s, my statics. I think I need them in a 5.5. My feet is a lot, I guess, smaller than really what I realized or what I thought. So y'all, let's see if these fit. This Yeezy Adidas on the inside. So yeah, don't come for me, I still haven't got my nails done. So yeah, let's try these babies on. Excuse me, I got my UGG on one foot, but this is the shoe, you guys. It's not tied up or anything, and I say my toe is about right. Oh, My toe is about right here, all the way at the top. So I definitely got the right size. I couldn't have got away with a size smaller or bigger. This is a perfect fit. And I really love these. I think they're really like different and cute. Okay, so yeah, you guys, they are I look so casty, and in person my makeup really does match my neck, like I promise to God. I don't know why I be looking like this on camera. Like, I think it's this ring light. I really don't like the lighting of this ring light anymore. It's just, I like the lights with like the yellow tint to them, if y'all know what I'm talking about. Not the like fluorescent ones. I like the ones with the yellowish tint, because this shit don't look right on my skin. It's just something about this. Even when I don't have on makeup, I don't like the way you make my skin look. But okay, so yeah, you guys, I'm loving them and they fit perfectly. So I think for my V2s, my next pair of V2s, because I'm thinking about copping either those semi-frozens or the all-white. I know I have to get those all-white pair for sure for the summer. Those are some really cute summer shoes. And I don't have, well, I do have a pair of all-white shoes, the my 5s or whatever, but my Jordan 5s, but I need more all-white shoes. I really don't have that many. And yeah, I'm getting back on my little shoe shit or whatever, as y'all see. But yeah, guys, so I'm really enjoying this shoe so far, even though I've only had it for like, I've only seen it for like 30 seconds. Also, comment down below, what's your favorite shoe? It don't have to be a Yeezy, but what's your favorite shoe or whatever? Or what shoe would y'all like to see me cop? What shoe y'all think I can rock really good, really well? Or what is your favorite shoe to rock? Let me know down below in the comments, what is your favorite? Okay, you guys, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing slash closer look slash mini review, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the white, so I two-toned them. Taking